Welcome friends, today I will discuss with you cannot get ID problem of UltraViewer software. UltraViewer software require active internet connection, so you have to check your internet connection is active or not. First you check that. Now internet connection is active, but still UltraViewer ID is not showing in computer screen. Then what should be done? My suggestion is first you restart the system. Many times when you restart the system, the problem gets resolved. But if the problem is not resolved after the restarting, then follow the steps. Right control panel in search area, and open control panel. Select programs and features and open it. Then from the list find and select UltraViewer and uninstall it. Click yes for uninstalling. Your UltraViewer software uninstalled completely. Before starting the second step, you must restart your PC again. Now press Windows button and R key together on your keyboard. Run command will appear. Here you write %app data % and click OK. Here you will be find UltraViewer folder. Select it and delete that. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then select programs, files, x86. From here also you delete the UltraViewer folder. Now you open Google Chrome. Write in address bar https://ultraviewer.net and press enter. Here you will find download options and click download. Your UltraViewer software download here. After downloading the software, you double click the setup files, UltraViewer setup files, to load the software. Then next and press install. Your UltraViewer software loading again in your system. After successfully reinstall of UltraViewer software, your problem will be resolved.